Today, women all over the country marched for women's rights, including right here in Bay County. Ahead of the Supreme Court's return on October 4th, men, women, and children from the area came together to have their voices heard on the issue of reproductive rights. As News 13's Emma Riley tells us, dozens of people at today's march are calling for equality when it comes to reproductive rights.
Women's March and more than 60 other organizations asked communities all over the country to join them in fighting for their reproductive rights on October 2nd.
We have women all across this country who are marching today in support of a woman's right to choose.
In support, a Bay County resident, CHERRIE, CRIM, and the Democratic Women's Club of Bay County organized a march at the Halfway Bridge in Panama City on Saturday.
The Women's March today, October 2nd, is a big deal because we as women here in our country, especially in the state of Florida, are under attack. We are going to have the same type of abortion bill that they have in Texas coming here to Florida.
The Supreme Court will go back into session on October 4th, which is why CRIM says they sprung into action.
They didn't hear the case from Texas, which that's what put us in motion, because when they decided not to hear the case from Texas, that is the biggest threat to Roe versus Wade that we have had ever.
The Bay County community showed their support with more than 60 people showing up to the march.
Why are we still fighting about this, and why have we just not let women control their own bodies? That's all we got to get to, equality. We can all control our own bodies.
Women weren't alone in the fight. Men also showed up to the march. Bay County resident Paul Palmer says these events help keep the community unified.
When we're all clustered in because of the COVID and can't get out and interact with each other, we don't get that collective synergism that empowers us. This is an important issue. People went to the trouble to recognize it. We're going to support it.
CRIM says men should not have control over a woman's body and believes we need to stop making laws that allow that.
As a woman, I believe the woman should have the right to choose. I believe in a woman's equality. I believe in the fact that we've already addressed this issue. Why are we going back again?
There were 5 other marches going on in the Panhandle on Saturday, all in effort to defend women's rights. In Panama City, Emma Riley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.